Are you looking for a sustainable career? Are you looking for a better paying job? You don't have to hold a bachelor's degree or struggle to pay a long-term loan. The Next Gen Automation has made it easy for you.
Welcome to the Next Gen Automation. My name is Vedasta Sanguneza. I am a software automation engineer with a decade of experience and background in computer science. I specialize in driving software excellency using C#, Python, and Java. I also have expertise with AI technologies.
So you may ask yourself, why the Next Gen Automation? Here's why.
So the Next Gen Automation is coming into the market to bridge the gap. A lot of companies right now, they're launching applications, web pages, and they're constantly updating with the latest technology. And right now, companies I have worked for and companies I've had the opportunity to network with are actually looking for developers who have these skills. The Next Gen now has the ability to take you from scratch right up to a position where you're very comfortable with the tools that are being used today in the market for automation.
In the Next Gen Automation, you learn how to write automation script to automate your testing. We'll be starting with the Java and then Selenium WebDriver 4.x, and then you move with the TestNG, Maven lifecycle, and then you'll be learning DevOps infrastructure, Jenkins, Git command, and GitHub, and then you'll be also running Cucumber BDD framework. We'll be developing a framework from scratch based on page object model, and also you'll be running AWS, Cloud, Docker, and Selenium Grid.
The Next Gen Automation is not just a school, it's a community.
My name is Annette Msengimana. I'm a mother. I have 2 kids. One is coming. I live in Fort Worth. I have a background in business management. I did my degree back in New York and in London. And I come across with this bootcamp for tech, and I feel like I need to do something in tech. And I think anybody can do it, especially mothers. Those who think they don't know anything about technology, they can do it too. Thank you.
Nitwa Dusenge Olivier, abantuye muri Dallas Fort Worth. Abana bagize amahirwe yo kumenya the Next Gen Automation. Abandi gufata course zayo. Mfite bachelor's degree muri economics. Bikaba bitakubera imbogamizi yuko wenda utaba warize udafite background muri IT, ariko bitakubuza kujoininga because the Next Gen Automation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jad Masenda Gishimana. I have bachelor in economics. Actually, I've been to different bootcamp, but after joining this bootcamp, it's so different. So I can feel comfortable for doing coding. Ntegereje no kuba najya kuri market nkaba nahindura ubuzima bwanjye.
First, we'll help you build up your resume. Second, we'll prepare you for the tech market, and we'll also help you prepare for interviews. We'll follow you up even after getting the job until you're established and comfortable. This training is 100% remote, so you don't have to leave the comfort of your home, and the course takes about 2 hours to complete in a day. The course takes about 16 weeks or 4 months. It's easy to enroll, and you can find all the information you need on the nextgenautomation.com. Your time is now. Get yourself enrolled and embark on a new chapter of your career.
Please join us and empower your career with the Next Gen Automation.